Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the much requested video that is the easy summer makeup ideas, and I'm going to do the makeup on my face. I'm going to show you on how to carry the makeup, summer makeups on during the summer. So without a further delay, let's dive into the video. So it's like before I do anything or I apply anything on my face, I make sure that I wipe off my face properly with any wiper you want. I use it from Johnson and from Guinea. So if you want, you can use any other products. And also make sure that whenever you are applying anything on your face, do make sure that you are applying all those products on your neck too. This you can see I have cleared off my face so that there is no excess dirt in it. Okay, so now let's start. I always use a toner before applying anything on my face. So this is the toner I use. It is from Biotech and Bio Honey Water. I'm just absolutely in love with this product. I'm using this product from last 2 years. It's very cheap, it's very easy to carry, and it's very light in weight. You just need a few drops of it on your face. Make sure that you are dabbing it. Do not rub it. Just dab it. Do not rub it. And allow it to dry for 1-2 minutes. So here my face is ready to apply another layer. You can see I use this product vitamin C on my face after applying the toner. It is from KLAIRS and I'm using it from the last 1.5 years. It's one of the best vitamin C serums available in the market. I made more such videos on vitamin C products, which product is good for your skin and all. You can go to the link that is mentioned above and can check the videos. You just need few drops of it. So I just applied 5 or 6 drops on my face and I'm gently massaging it on my face so that it gets inside my skin properly. Gently massage it on your skin and wait for 1-2 minutes so that the vitamin C gets inside your skin and makes your skin hydrated and glowing from inside. So after applying the vitamin C, this is how my face looks. Then, after applying the vitamin C, please make sure that you apply any moisturizer before going out. So, I apply the moisturizer from Body Shop, that is the Tea Tree moisturizer. I apply the Body Shop Tea Tree moisturizer on my face after applying the vitamin C serum. You just need few drops of it and it's very light in weight. See, I have taken this much only. It is enough for my face and my neck too. Massage it properly so that it gets inside your skin. Fine. So after applying the moisturizer, wait for 1 minute. Then you apply the BB cream from Oriflame. The one I'm using this product from like past 3 or 4 years, and I'm absolutely in love with this product. BB cream helps to maintain or protect your skin from any further damage which the sun causes. Just apply a minimum portion you needed on your face and gently massage it so that it gets inside your skin properly. See, after applying the BB cream, you can see my face, it looks very clear and it's shining. Now, after applying the BB cream, it's like the apply whatever you want to apply on your face, it's almost over now. As because it's summer, you need to use face powder. So I use the face powder from Lakme Absolute. This product I'm using from last 6 months. It is very dry and makes your skin and protects the excess oil from your skin actually. As I told you, whatever you apply on your face, make sure that you apply all those products on your neck too. Just to shape my eyebrows properly and to draw it, I use the eyebrow pencil from Lakme Absolute, and the color I use is grey. You just need to draw it properly so that it looks very, shiny. You can see I have just applied the eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows, and you can see how beautiful it's looking. Now, next I use is the eyeshadow, which is from Maybelline. The blush notes, it's very easy to carry in the summer. What you need to do is like, I prefer to use this one for my everyday look. It's very easy to apply. You just need that brush, take a small portion of it and dab it like this. Just fill it up like this. As you can see, I have applied the eyeshadow lightly on my eyes. You can see if it's visible enough. Okay. Now next I use is like the kajal, which I use it every day, and I cannot step out of my house without using this kajal, which is from Maybelline, the Colossal Kajal, which is easily available in the market nowadays. The next I will use the Hyper Glossy eyeliner, which is from Maybelline. Just shake it before you use it. So if you want a thick line, then make a thick liner with it. And if you want a simple one stroke, then you apply one stroke. I prefer to use only just one stroke. As you can see, I have applied the eyeliner. Now, next I will use is the lipstick. If you want a darker shade, you can apply the darker shade. I prefer to use it from Nykaa. The lipstick which I prefer are from Nykaa. Mostly the lipsticks which I apply on my lips are from Nykaa. So this is the product, this is the shade which I use if I want a darker shade. And next one which I received is as a gift from one of my colleagues. It's this shade. The shade is very bright and it's very good for the summer look. It's from Mistral of Milan. It's from Mistral of Milan. So I'm applying this one. So this is the shade I used. If you want something extra light, then you can apply. I will go for this one. But if you think it's too bright for you, take a towel. Just dab it a bit. It's light now. If you want to make it more light, then you can apply this process same. It's good for my makeup. Now, next, I will pair it up with two beautiful earrings, which my sister gifted. This is the easy summer look which I carry every day when I'm going to work or for any invitation or for anything. So friends, more such videos will be coming on my channel. Stay tuned, and if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. Do hit the like button, share it as much as you can with your friends and help me to grow. Bye-bye.